Good morning students. Today we are going to start with the chapter Enemy. अब ये जो chapter है, it is about the Second World War. But before that, let's learn about the writer. Who is the writer? She is Pearl Stryker Buck. Now, she was an American. वो एक American writer और novelist थी. But she got a Chinese name, Sai Zhenzu, because she had spent her childhood in China. She was the daughter of the missionaries, and that is why she had gone to China with her parents. She was awarded the Pulitzer Prize in 1932 and the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1938. Now we will go to the story. Now, when is the story about? The story is about World War II. World War II के बारे में है जब नागासाकी और हिरोशिमा पे बॉम्ब फेंका गया था in Japan. So that is why the Japanese were the enemies of the Americans. They hated Americans. Now, what happened? This story is after Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao, one day when he was sitting outside of his house, he saw that an American soldier was washed on the beach and had reached near his house. So he went there on the beach, and when he saw that American, he was in a dilemma. वो dilemma में था, confusion में था. अब उसके confusion क्या था? एक था कि his profession was of a doctor to serve humanism. So should he serve this person? Should he see, irrespective of any caste, creed or which place is he? Should he do that? या दूसरी ये थी कि वो एक patriot था. So when he was a true patriot, what should he do? Either he should throw the body back in the sea or should hand him over to the army. अब वो इस dilemma में था कि मैं क्या करूँ और क्या नहीं करूँ. But at last he said, no, humanism is more love and compassion is more superior than patriotism. So I should help this person. And how he helps him, फिर उसके बाद how the servants and all leave Dr. Sadao, and only Dr. Sadao and his wife Hana, they save this American soldier and also save him to escape from the beach. Now the story starts with Dr. Sadao sitting in front of his house near the Japanese coast, where he had spent his childhood, जहाँ उसने अपनी पूरी childhood, अपना बचपन बिताया था. Where he used to play behind the rocks, the narrow beach, where there were pine trees, and bare feet where he used to run. All that he could remember. He could remember his father, वो अपने father के साथ कैसे जाता था, and all those things he could remember. He would even ask his father कि हम कहाँ से जाएंगे, from where are we going to go? And the father used to always answer, it depends on you. तुमको कहाँ जाना है, how you want to go, don't limit your future. अपने future को limit मत करो, उसे open रखो, और जैसा है go and show yourself to be brave. अब उसने सब कुछ अपने फादर से सीखा था, and that is why they were traditional Japanese. His father would never joke with him, never played with him, though he was his only son. He wanted Sadao to be educated and be a good doctor. Even he had spent 22 years in America, and there he had learned surgery and medicine. But he did not forget his surgery. He had come back when he was 30 years, back to his place in Japan, and he was not only a surgeon but also a scientist. He had discovered how to render wounds, clean them, and he was sent abroad with the troops. But he was not sent. उसे सब कुछ आता था, सब कुछ था, पर जनरल वॉज वेरी सेल्फिश. ही वुड नेवर सेंड हिम विद द ट्रूप्स. दूसरे डॉक्टर्स को भेज देता. वाई? बिकॉज जनरल हिमसेल्फ न्यू उसकी खुद की कंडीशन क्या है, तो वो अपने पास में रखता था कि उसको कभी भी ऑपरेशन करना पड़ा तो ही वुड नीड सदाव. दैट डे clouds were rising, there was heavy fog, and he was sitting outside of his house. Suddenly उसको ऐसा दिखा जैसे बीच के पास कोई आदमी गिरा हुआ है. Something has come, and his wife also was there, and his 3 children. When his wife came out, she was dressed in the traditional Japanese kimono. Kimono is a traditional dress over her hairoi. That is a traditional Japanese dress. जबकि हाना एक जापनीज थी, पर वो लोग दोनों अमेरिका में मिले थे. That is where they fall in love, and then they got married, and she was really traditionally she lived as a Japanese girl. वो बिल्कुल जापानीज गर्ल की तरह ही रहती थी. ये जो प्रोफेसर मीन्स द सर्जन डॉक्टर सदाव और उसकी वाइफ सारे लोगों के साथ बहुत ही काइंड रहते थे. एवरीवन लव्ड देम. दे वर रियली वेरी काइंड. एंड दैट डे हिज हाउस वॉज नॉट सो बिग, ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज ही ओनली सर्व द मैनकाइंड. वो पैसे कमाने के लिए नहीं करता था. सो देयर हाउस वॉज अ स्मॉल हाउस, and Hana was a student, and he loved her, and they really lived a happy life. Now what happened after they were married for years and they had 2 children? Then they finished their work at school, and then they came back home at Japan, and his father had seen her, the marriage had seen arranged, and there they again got married in an old Japanese way. Sadao and Hana talked about everything beforehand, and they were really very very happy. Suddenly जब वो लोग अपनी पुरानी मेमोरीज वो सोच रहे था डॉक्टर सदाव, अपने मैरिज के बारे में, अपने फादर का, अपने चाइल्डहुड के बारे में, suddenly he saw कि एक आदमी from the ocean, he was thrown on the beach. And even Hana was with him. Hana said, who is that? उसने कहा, maybe some sailor, because his ship must have wrecked, and इसीलिए he is thrown out from there. Or he said maybe कोई fisherman हो सकता है. So he said, we never know, let's go and see. When they went near, they saw that the sand was fully soaked with blood. So when they saw that blood, they said, कि अच्छा, he is wounded. But he was motionless, and his face was towards the sand, so they could not come to know. And his garments had become fully wet. Now when they took out the hat and when they saw the face, they recognized, उन्होंने देख लिया. They said कि अरे ये तो है ना, he is an American. Why? Because he was a young man, he had a rough yellow beard, he was unconscious, but by his face and by his clothes, they suddenly came to know that he was some soldier